All right, so today is the day. We are finally doing the fireplace. So here's a before picture. Before. And this is the after. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are redoing our fireplace slash mantle. We are so excited because we've been wanting to do this for a while and want to bring you guys along on the journey with us. So keep on watching. Now I'm just cutting all the old caulking off so the mantle can be removed. That was actually really easy. Cause look, Jane, look. This one I'm so happy, look. Now, I did expect to do some cleaning because, taking that mantle down, things went to popping everywhere and all that good stuff. But there was so many spider webs behind the mantle. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so disgusting. Like, if you could get back there and clean ever, like, you guys would be shocked. This is how the fireplace is looking after removing the mantle. It's looking very naked. I know the fireplace is like, oh my God, where's my other half? But we're going to put you back together, fireplaces. Don't worry. But I also want to ask you guys a question. Leave a comment down below because I live for a broom. I do have a vacuum. We do love our vacuum. But if you want to get down to the nitty gritty and the dirt of it all, like, I feel like a broom really does get the job done. And then you go back and you vacuum as well. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but let me know down in the comment section. My husband came home and went straight to measuring all of our pieces. All right, this is all of our firewood. This is all of our wood. There goes the old fireplace mantle right there. Yeah, so we got some 1x4s, some 1x2s, 1x8s. Yeah, this is all the wood. All right, so this is where I caught myself trying to put spackle and, create a new wall kind of, sort of, because when I took off the trimming down here, you can kind of still see the lines, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to be covering it up anyways with the new wood. But I think I didn't do too bad, that's going to be covered up anyways with the 4x4s, with the 1x4s. So, but still, it has just a little bit of a peekaboo still left on the sides. So I wanted it to be flush, so not bad. First window sill down. Window trimming. First one is done. Okay, so we get to see it. Here we go. Okay guys, I just wanted to pause the video for a minute here because I wanted to let you guys know that trimming was not our idea. We did get this idea from another YouTuber and I will link her channel down below. Look how nice that looks. I'm still gonna let the curtains stay up there because we love the gray curtains because it really brings like warmth, makes the room like really cozy. So I think we're gonna keep that up there, right? The window curtains, okay. Yeah, and the window curtains, the curtains are sheer, so it's not like you won't be able to see the trimming. You still will be able to see the window trimming. Oh, look at it, it looks so good. So this is a 1x4. That's a 1x4. The inside is a 1x4. The only thing is different is the top. The very top one is a 1x6, and then these two we use 1x2s because our hardware store didn't have 1x2s, and then we don't have a saw to cut it to a 1x1. So, yeah. So we did end up shiplapping the entire wall because I didn't like the way the shiplap looked just over the fireplace alone. So we did, and we loved it. Can you turn the light on, baby? You have the remote? Turn the light on. I got the light on. Do you have the remote? Okay. Other light. There you go. It's looking good in here. So this is how it looks when the curtains are up. So cozy down here. So cozy. Never mind. Sleeping Beauty there. But we love the way it came out, guys. It came out so good. So crisp. Very clean. Here's the mantle. And the mantle, I stained it true black or something like that. Yeah. And the shiplap looks really good on the wall as well. We're very, very impressed. It took a lot of work, but for the most part, it came out great. And I got these curtains from Amazon. I'll leave them linked down below. Very affordable for some long curtains. You see, they go all the way down to the floor. So, yes, guys, it came out so great. Isn't that nice? And I did that art work myself. I got the inspiration from Tierra Walker on YouTube. Everybody knows her. So yeah, guys, so this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.